Direct replacement. This hood latch assembly matches the fit and function of the original equipment latch. Durable construction. Made from quality components to ensure reliable performance and a long service life. Easy installation. Requires no special tools to replace. Quality tested. This part has undergone vehicle fitment and material testing to ensure proper fit and reliable service. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Hood no longer opening or closing properly? This replacement hood latch assembly matches the fit and function of the original equipment hood latch and is made of corrosion-resistant materials for reliable service. Top reviews from the United States. Very nice reproduction part. Functions as OEM. Replaced worn-out factory latch. Maybe just dumb luck but didn't need to adjust after installing. Tightened semi-loosely. Checked clearance and body lines. Fit just right.